सत श्री अकाल जी, वेलकम टू अनदर डे ऑन माय टेरेस गार्डन। आज है December the 7th and we are ready to harvest our broccoli which is ready. The seeds were sown in September and broccoli takes about 3 months to get ready. ये बहुत सारे factors इसमें होते हैं, like the kind of sunlight we get, the kind of space we give, the kind of soil we give. So we are going to discuss everything that is required to grow good broccolis but without any chemical fertilizers or pesticides.
So we can grow broccoli, cabbage, cauliflower from seeds or from seedlings. तो seedlings nursery में मिल जाते हैं. But I usually start all my plants from seeds. So for seeds, I use a seed sowing mix, which is 60 to 70% coco peat. The rest is vermicompost. I mix it all well. Then I add the seed sowing mix to seed trays or to small pots. उस पर मैं sprinkle कर देती हूँ seeds. So there are about 1 to 2 seeds per seed cell, and then I cover them with the same seed sowing mix. So these are sown about half a centimeter deep. We have to keep this moist, and we keep the seed tray in indirect sunlight. I keep this on my terrace. So broccoli usually germinates pretty quickly and it is ready to be transplanted in about 4 weeks time. It is about 2 or 3 inches tall when it is ready to be transplanted. Now for the potting soil mix जिसमें हमने broccoli seedlings transplant करने हैं. For this I am taking some kitchen waste compost because this was ready. I am also using some vermicompost, some neem manure, old soil and coco peat. Now for broccoli I am taking a deeper pot. This is 15 inches deep और इसमें मैं अपना potting soil mix डाल रही हूँ. नीचे की बेस में मैंने dried leaves डाले हैं और ऊपर मैंने अपना soil mix डाला है. And now I'm going to transplant 2 seedlings in one pot. You can transplant one, but I had more seedlings, so I'm transplanting 2 seedlings over here. Let me add, if I had just grown one seedling, the plant would have been bigger, the harvest would have been bigger. But because I had more seedlings, I had to kind of accommodate them.
Now, if you are growing cabbages or cauliflower or broccoli in pots or in small spaces, remember that these are heavy feeders. इनको अच्छा nutritive soil चाहिए. So every 20 days, 15 to 20 days, give your plants a liquid feed. So a seaweed fertilizer will do, a weed fertilizer will do. Any kind of liquid fertilizer that you make at home can be given to your plants. Then every 25 to 30 days, give your soil, give the plants some vermicompost or some cow dung manure. Otherwise they won't grow to their full potential. So हमेशा 15-20 दिन बाद एक लिक्विड फीड डाल दो और 25-30 दिनों बाद थोड़ी सी खाद, वर्मी कॉम्पोस्ट, काउ डंग मैन्योर अपने प्लांट्स को ज़रूर दो, just so as you can get healthy growth in your plants.
Ideally, broccoli plants need full sunlight. They also need moist soil, and this is how the plants will look like after 2.5 months of time.
Now how do we harvest the broccoli? So we don't kind of harvest the entire plant. नीचे से नहीं काटना. We are just going to harvest the head. ऐसे करके हम head harvest कर लेंगे. Now we let the plant be in soil. ये मिट्टी में ही रहेगा. Especially अभी December का महीना है. There's January. So this plant is going to produce tiny baby broccolis. यहाँ से side से आएंगी. And they are enough for a meal. So यहाँ से भी छोटी छोटी broccolis आती रहेंगी and you can harvest them and then kind of use for your meals. So let the plant be in soil and then you can enjoy a later harvest. Just wanted to share something which I've learned while growing vegetables over a period of time. ये मेरा जो broccoli का patch है, ये मेरा second batch है. So I sowed seeds in September, then I sowed seeds in October. तो ये October वाला batch है. Now आपको एक harvest चाहिए for a longer period of time. एकदम से हमें सारी cauliflower, cabbage या broccoli नहीं चाहिए. So you kind of sow your seeds in batches. कुछ पहले लगा दिए, कुछ 3-4 हफ्ते बाद लगा दिए. If you're getting seedlings, कुछ पहले आप seedlings ले आए, कुछ बाद में ले आए. Just so you can kind of get your harvest for a longer period of time. Now thank you so much for watching and appreciating my videos. Thank you for the support. I'll see you again in another video. Any questions, comments, queries, any advice, suggestions, they are welcome in the comment box. I'll get back to you. Thank you so much for watching and supporting. Sat Shri Akal.